Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find the latest Domino's promo codes. So if this is something that you want to be able to do, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So what you're going to do firstly is just go into Google on either your computer, or you can also of course do this on your phone. And then you're going to search like this on Google, search for Domino's promo code. So just search for Domino's promo code, and as you can see, we should now be taken to this page right here. So I've checked a lot of these results out right here, and the first one right here, as you can see, this one seems to be the best as of right now at least. So I'm going to click on it. And as you can see, we should now be taken to this page, which is perfect. So in here, you will be able to see all the promo codes that is currently available for Domino's. So just take the one that you think is the best for you. So for example, this one. And as you can see, I'm now able to actually view the promo code. So I can click on copy, and as you can see, offer details. Also make sure that you read the details. Score an extra 20% off your order when you apply this Domino's coupon code at checkout, as you can see. So basically what will happen is that you will be able to now actually get that promo code. So you clicked on copy, you can click on redeem at Domino's Pizza, as you can see. And then when you start ordering your pizzas, don't forget to also, of course, apply the promo code, because if you don't, it's not going to work, obviously, because it's not going to be automatically applied. You need to make sure that you actually apply the promo code as well. And if it's for some reason it's not working, don't worry, just go back into the page once again and scroll down and see if there's any other ones that you think is good, and try them as well and see if any of those works, and I hope that they will. And that is basically exactly how to find the latest Domino's promo codes.